Welcome back. Welcome back. It is me, BrittReacts. A little raspy, but that's okay. We're here. We made it. And happy, I hope I'm saying this not too soon, 300K. I love and adore you guys. It's just been a wild, like 18 months. It's just been wild. And I feel so loved and so grateful. And it's because of you. So, if you're watching this, it's because it is the Patreon pick of the week. You know the deal. If you don't, here it is. Over on my Patreon channel, some of the tiers get to suggest and then vote for songs that I react to here on my YouTube channel. This is Cat Stevens. How can I tell you? It's a long applause. Is this a rehearsal? Did I stumble upon a rehearsal version of this? I don't know. I found myself really, he came in strumming and then the whoa, whoa, whoas. And it just like, I had to close my eyes because it just felt important. I don't know. I don't know how to explain that. It felt like I wanted to focus all of my attention. And then I'm like, did I pick, is this the right video? Okay. I don't know if this is a rehearsal or if it's just one of those kind of like unfiltered, uncut, unplugged type of performances, which I live and breathe for. But either way, I think I was introduced to Cat Stevens over on my Patreon channel. And I think there is this gentleness that is like ever present right here. Like you can't deny it. Even look how gentle he's stroking those strings. It's happening.
How can I tell you that I love you? I love you, but I can't think of right words to say. I long to tell you that I'm always thinking of you. I'm always thinking of you, but my words just blow away.
I'm rocking back and forth with them. My words just, they blow away. It just feels so intentional and I mean important. I love that it feels like they restarted, like maybe something just wasn't right. Maybe they were in the wrong key, or I don't know, the guitar wasn't in tune. But it felt like they needed it to be right because they know how special this song is. Maybe to them as artists, Cat Stevens as an artist, or maybe to the audience. I'm not sure how big of a hit this was, but I loved kind of seeing them rework it until it felt right, because when it came in, it was definitely right. It was right. Oh, okay.
But my words just blow away. Words just blow away. It always ends up to one thing, honey, and I can't think of right words to say. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I love that. Wherever I am, girl. Um, I love that like the song up until this point is quite repetitive and quite simple because it like shows you really just how much he can't find the right words. He just has to keep saying the same thing, hoping that like it translates, that she understands. So I love that. And I think, again, the word here is intentional, folks. What's the word of the day? Intentional. And then the whoa, so my voice, the whoa is so nice and gentle and loving and romantic and careful. I feel like it's very careful. Oh, this is great.
Always walking with you. I'm always walking with you. But I look and you're not there. Whoever I'm with, I'm always talking to you. I'm always talking to you. And I'm sad that you can't hear. Sad that you
can't hear.
It always ends up to one thing, honey, when I look and you're not there.
It's so soft. It's so kind.
I need to know you, need to feel my arms around you.
So she gone, like passed away? Now I'm sad. I thought it was just like a love song about a present day love, but it feels like either she left him or she left us. Either way, it's sad.
Need to feel my arms around you. Feel my arms around you. Like a sea around the shore. Each night and day I pray in hope that I might find you. In hope that I might find you. Because hearts can do no more. It's to do. It always ends up to one thing, honey. Still I kneel upon the floor. Whoa, 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 whoa. How can I tell you that I love you? Love you. But I can't think of right words to say. I long to tell you that I'm always thinking of you. I'm always thinking of you. But my words just blow away. Just blow away. It always ends up to one thing, honey, and I can't think of right words to say. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You still rocking. I get the Cat Stevens hype. I think it's just a true musician, an artist who comes from such a deep place of like feeling, like that it really pours out of him. It's hard not to feel everything that he says. Go and have the day you deserve. I'm sad. Bye.